Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I trust you guys are doing so great. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys all my trades, all the trades I executed throughout the week, all my wins, my losses, and then the break even. Right, so without wasting much time, and let's just dive straight into my chart, and then I get to show you my trades all my trades for the week. Thank you.
So guys, welcome to my chart. Today is Wednesday, and I am in a setup right now. So you can see on the DAX index, right, we have been in an uptrend for quite a long period of time, right? So let me just go straight to the setup I am in now. So you can see a setup right here. There's a setup I took, a buy setup I just took, and we're already moving in profits, right? So this is my setup. This is the setup I took right now, right? So I saw price push to the upside like this impulsive move, right? You can see it push to the upside, it rally to the upside, then it pushed to the downside like a consolidation, which I always like to wait for. Pushed up again, pushed down, pushed up again, came back to retest that low it created, and upon citing some nice confirmation, I entered the trade around here. My stop loss is just below, and then I'm looking to exit my full position around that level, right? So that was my trade. That was my trade idea, and I'm looking forward to price hitting my final TP at this level, right? So once price gets to this level right here, I'll move on my stop loss to break even, right? So let's see how this trade plays out. I'll keep you guys updated. So guys, just as I said earlier, when price hits this level right here, I'm going to be moving on my stop losses to break even, which I have just done. So we've secured all our entries. So even though price retraces back to take us out, we do not get to lose anything. So all we're waiting for now is for price to come and hit our final take profit, which is at this level, right? Which is at this level. So let's see how price goes, and I hope to smash my TP in no time. So guys, price just hit a psychological level, which is 21,700, right? And I'm expecting price to still go smash our final TP. So price has moved to a significant amount of pips, right? So I'm just expecting price now to go smash our final TP. And price is very close. It's very close. So in no time we should smash this TP, right? So good morning guys. Good morning guys. Today is Thursday, and it's 6:51 in the morning. Still on DAX index, right? DAX index, right? Remember I took a trade. Yesterday. I took a buy trade yesterday, right? We had an entry here. Price pushed up, tapped on this psychological level, right? It tapped on the psychological level, pushed back down, pushed back up again, and then came to tap us out because we moved all our stop losses from this level, right, up to this level, and then price came back, tapped us out, and then pushed forward again, right? So right now we are out of the trade, right? We focused on looking for another setup, right? And this was my new trade idea, which is already playing out nicely, right? We saw a very beautiful zone here, a very clean level here, which is this. You can see it clearly, right? Price dumped here, and for some reason pushed to the upside aggressively, and then came back to retest that zone. It gave us some confirmation, weak rejection, and some good confirmation there to long the market, and our entries were loaded here. And I'm looking to move all my stop loss to break even when price gets to this level, right? So it's a very simple setup. And also we have a little zone right here, which is an added confluence also for this trade. So you can see the way price has respected the level multiple number of times, right? So let's see how this trade goes. I'm going to update you guys as the trade plays out. So guys, price just smashed our first CP, which is around here, and we've moved all our stop losses to break even, all our stop losses to entry, right? So we await our final TP, which is around here. So let me set my alert, move my alerts up to our final TP. So immediately price gets to this level, it's going to alert me, and then I exit all my positions on time. So guys, I exited my trade few minutes ago, right? I exited around this level right here. Though I was supposed to wait for price to get to this level before I exit all my positions, but I had to exit here, right? So but we're done for the day. The time is about 8:12, 12 minutes past 8, right? Nigerian time. So let's go again tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last trading day for the week. So good morning guys. Today is Friday, the last trading day for the week and also for the month of January, right? So there's this setup. I took a sell setup right now. I know this trade setup is a counter trend, right? Because we are in a bullish, if you can see, we've been in a bullish trend for quite a long period of time. If I zoom out, you go and see clearly. You see clearly that we are in a very, 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 very bullish trend, right? So here I'm taking a sell setup which is kind of very, very risky. But nonetheless, I'm risking just about 0.5% of my account. So if this trade goes to hit my SL, then I get to lose about 0.5%. So price tapped on this level and then dropped, came back to the level again and gave a rejection. And then my entries were just here with my stops above. And then let's see how this trade plays out, right? But it's trickling massively to my stop loss. This is one of the quickest trades to go hit stop loss if it eventually goes to hit my stop loss though. Let's see how it goes. So these are second stop loss. This is the second trade that hit our stop loss for the year, right? And so we're done trading. This trade concludes our trading for the week and also for the month of January. So in total, we were able to lock in about 2.5% on our accounts. So we're done trading for the month and the week also. So guys, the trade we entered in the morning where our stop loss got hit around this level, right? Later on, price was trading around this psychological level, 21,800. It was trading around this level for some time and later tanked to the downside, right? Tanked to the downside massively. So I'm just doing this for record purpose, just to put this on record. Thank you. So guys, let me just briefly walk you through my metrics, my trading dashboard for FTMO, right? My consistency score right now is about 68%, just as you can see here. Remember last week it was about 54%, but now it's at 68, and I hope to keep it going very high, right? So our profit target, you can see here, our profit target has not yet been met, right? It's still at about 2.5%, which is about $2,453, right? This is how we ended the week and also the month of January, right? So you can see okay, let me just go straight to the 3 trades we took for the week, which was on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So on the 29th, which was Wednesday, we had a trade that ended up as a break-even trade, right? You can see it right there. We made almost nothing, right? Then on the 30th, which was on Thursday, we made about $1,000. The trade is supposed to amount to 1,000 or above 1,000, but I closed out just a little before my take profit, right? Our last trade for the month, which was on the 31st of January, I took a trade and it ended up as a loss, right? Which was the last trade we took for today. We took today on Friday, right? That sell trade that ended up as a loss, right? Remember, I'm always targeting to risk $500 to make 1,000, or 0.5% to make, or risk 0.5% to make 1%. So that was how our week ended and also the month ended. So all my setups, all my trade setups, I always post them at entry level on my Telegram. That's I post them on my Telegram before it even plays out, and I use it as a journal to record all my trades. So if you want to check out all those trades, all the trades I've been taking, even 2023, you can click in the link in the description of this video and you will see it will lead you directly to my Telegram channel, right? So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next clip.
So guys, as you've seen, we're able to close the week in 0.5% profit, and then the month of January with 2.5 about 2.5% in profits, right? Which is quite moderate, right? It's not on the high side, right? Remember, we're just risking about 0.5% per trade idea. If we were risking about 1%, then by now we should be up about 5% in profit. But our risk is capped at 0.5% per trade idea. Normally, the way I run my challenges is that I go for 1% per trade idea on my phase one. Then phase two, I drop the risk to 0.5% because the profit target is also dropped too. So then on funded stage, I still continue with the 0.5% risk per trade. But for this FTMO challenge, I'm going with 0.5% all through phase one, phase two, and also the funded stage. So that's how I'm going to be going through this challenge, right? And I hope to make better profits in the month of February, right? I would like to talk about my last trade, the last trade I took, right? Which was a sell trade. I was a bit hasty and aggressive on that particular trade setup because I was supposed to wait for more confirmation. Remember, DAX index is on a very aggressive bull run right now, and then looking for a setup was very risky. It was way risky, right? I was supposed to wait for more confirmation to get in for the retracement, but I was a bit aggressive and I've learnt my lessons from there. And we took a loss on that trade, a loss of 0.5%, right? So which made us to close the month with 2.5% in profits. So guys, if you would like to get an account with FTMO or Funded Next, because I work with FTMO and I also work with Funded Next. If you like to purchase an account with Funded Next or FTMO, then please check the links in the description. I'll drop links there so you can register and get an account for yourself. If you want to trade with a broker that's very reliable and good, right? You can trade with EXNESS and then HANTEC markets, right? So I'll drop links in the description of this video so you can check them out for yourself. And if you like them, then go ahead and create an account for yourself and you can start trading, right? But please always keep it at the back of your mind. Follow proper risk management. Follow your entry rules, your exit rules, your trade management rules. It's only when you follow all these rules that you will be consistently profitable over the long run, right? Risk management will help you protect your accounts when you're making mistakes, when you're taking some few losses, and will help you, earn consistently over time. You might not even be making profits every day, but it will help you, make profits over time. Risk management is very, very important. So remember, protection of your capital should be primary, making profits secondary, right? We've come to the end of this video, and if you loved this video, if you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, like this video so that the YouTube algorithm can recommend this video to other traders like you, and then also share this video to your trader friends. And I'll see you guys in my next video.